What up guys, welcome back to Pickers. Today I'll be working on my quad that apparently does not have any brakes. We'll be working on the brake pads and the caliper. And I have the pliers. So this is the tool, one of the tools that we need to use, the pliers. And we'll be using a wrench that is a 24mm socket. And we'll be using a flathead screwdriver. And we'll be using a 1/2 inch socket wrench, and we'll be using a T can't help
40 Torx?
40 Torx, and we'll be using an impact.
All right, dude.
Let's get to it.
And what else do we need? We're going to be changing the rotor. So Jojo was driving. He kept telling me, Dad, my brakes don't work. I want to pull this quad in the garage and cook fried eats. We'll show you the pads once we get the caliper off. But the rotor is completely scored. You could see how bad it is. So got a new rotor. This video, we're going to focus on taking off the wheel, taking off the caliper, and replacing the rotor first. And he's going to get started. Let's go.
Let's take off the lift count.
You got it, dude. It's right there. Nice. Okay, so cotter pin's out. What do you need to remove next?
This bolt.
The castellated nut?
Yep.
Put it on straight. Okay. Oh, you got to turn this to the lefty-loosey. Okay. Okay, you should be able to do it by hand now. Alright, so you got the castellated nut, you got the cup washer. Is there anything behind it?
Yeah.
And then a flat washer behind it. Alright, can you pull the wheel off yet?
No.
Why not?
Because we're going to take off the bolts.
Sweet. Let's take the bolts off. Top one's reverse. We'll get it after.
No, can you grab it?
Got
I'll
it.
grab it.
Gotcha, you got it. You want to put the gun down and then take the wheel off?
Yeah.
And I need 2 hands.
Gee, there's a washer that goes with that.
We'll find it, dude. I'll find it. Just take
It's
it.
right there.
Okay.
Behind you.
Jay, can you grab the washer for Jojo?
Gee, it's over there.
I got it, baby. Teamwork. Thank you, Jake. Smiley, you don't want to be in the video? Okay, I'll take it out. All right, can you lift that wheel off by yourself or you need help?
Oh.
You need help or you got it?
Got it.
Okay, got it. Okay, what's next?
And take this off.
All right, so we slid the hub right off the spindle. So that's grooved, it just comes right off.
Yep.
Now what?
Gotta move to the other side.
You can do it from this side. So next, Joseph has to bend these little clips out, so that just stops the bolts from backing off on the caliper, but I think you are right. Let's move to this side. I think the better play is let's take the caliper off. This is where the T40 Torx is going to come in. There's 2 bolts with Torx heads back here. That's holding the caliper on, so that's how we're going to remove this caliper.
Okay, so now we're just going to take out these two bolts right here and then up here. We're going to take out the caliper. Then we're going to remove the rotor, and we're going to take that off and take those off, and then we should be good. Yeah.
All right, let's get those two Torx bolts out. There you go. Sweet. So caliper's removed. Next, we need to take what off?
This.
What's that?
The thing that gives it extra support.
All right, so those are clips that are going to stop the bolts on your rotor from loosening.
Can you hand me those pliers?
Gee, can you pass them the pliers? Best assistant in the world. So why are you using the flathead?
So you can take it out easier. I don't know.
That's exactly what you need to do. So you need enough space between that clip and the bolt so that you can get your socket on there. And then back it right up. Okay, Gianna, next he's going to need a socket that is a 1/2 inch. So check on the ladder and see if you can find that for him.
What ladder?
On the ladder he's standing on. Good enough. Other side, Gigi. Gianna's your assistant up. Let your assistant grab the socket. Best assistant in the world. Good job. All right, you don't want to be in the videos. I'll have we got it. Gigi. 1 second. One. Yes, ma'am. Personally, I love how you're lining up all your bolts together so everything's nice and neat. Good practice.
Yeah. And there's not much.
You got 2 more bolts to take out, dude. All right, so rotor's off. How beat up is that one?
It is.
Pretty scored, right?
Yep.
I grab the new one and feel how smooth it is.
Yeah. Okay, we're on the switch, and Invisible Assistant, may I have the rotor, please?
Ooh, where'd that come from?
I don't know.
You got the best invisible assistant ever. Look how shiny and new. I would do 1 bolt to get it started, and then after you get one side hand tight in, then pop in the other one.
That good?
Yep, and then start threading in the second one. And doesn't it feel good to put new parts on your quad?
Yeah. All the short ones. Like all the easy fixes. Like this. Back like that.
Okay, get the next set of bolts and clip on, then you'll tighten them.
Dad, do my front brakes still work?
They still work, but we're probably gonna have to do those too.
I mean, I don't really need them.
You kinda do, they're important, don't you need to stop?
I only use the back brakes.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe that's why you had no back brakes. You know, there's a difference between telling me your brakes kinda don't work and no brakes. Because when you told me that you couldn't stop, you were like, my brakes are kinda not working.
Yeah, cause like the first time I used them again, it kept stopping and then like cutting loose and then kept stopping and then cutting loose.
Yeah. Well, I found out that you had no brakes when I pulled your quad into the garage, and I couldn't stop.
Where's the mark? Oh, that's why you put the sign there.
Mm-hmm. You like that?
Did it break the wall?
Nah, didn't break the wall.
Oh, so now when we crash,
So now I put a sign right there because we put a mark on the wall from pulling his quad up.
well, that's on you. 'Cause
Yeah,
you did
on me.
that. All right, really tight?
Yep. Crank it down, and I want you to do like a half a turn after it's tight. So So get all 4 nice and snug first, and then go back around and tighten them all the way.
Okay.
And one thing we did is we put a 6x6 block of wood underneath the rear, just to keep it off so we could pull the tire off.
Oh, it's starting to get a little light out.
Yeah, it's been raining all morning, so it's a nice Saturday, rainy day type of project.
Oh.
You didn't break it.
Yeah. Let's go around and tighten them. Yep, that's not going anywhere.
Do all 4 the same way. Good?
Yep.
Next one.
Yep, that's good.
Okay. Listen, it's on you. The brakes don't work. You know that you did something wrong. Just kidding.
Yep, that's good.
Good? All right, what do you need to do next?
Just gonna do this real quick.
Okay, turn the screwdriver, Joe. Turn it the other way, and then bend that clip down onto the bolt. You could use the rotor to push it down if you want.
Nah, I don't want to break it.
You're not gonna break it.
I don't want to take the chance. I don't want to scratch it up. It's like burning up.
So turn it this way is what I was saying. So
Oh,
try, or let me see something. If you go like this, baby, you could start. Yeah, Gigi.
Is the video sending to everybody now?
we should go live.
Perfect. Okay, now try this one. You want to do the same thing and bend it a little bit, and then once it's started, well, turn the screwdriver. There you go. Trying to hit this side, make it flat right on there.
That good?
Give me one good smack right there. Perfect. Okay. Do you want to spin it and do the other side?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I'll put it in gear.
Yep, put it in neutral, and then we'll be able to spin the back wheel. Spider monkey, spider monkey. All right, we're free. You're good. Need a hand?
Oh, I don't know.
Let me move the ladder. Put your foot on the ladder, dude. Now you can spin this and do these two.
Okay.
Good job doing the rotor, buddy.
Thanks.
turn it. Let me spin it so it's easier for you. Okay, go ahead. One more. Give it a good whack right there. Good. Okay, let's keep it there and try to bend it out a little bit before you do it. Put the screwdriver in, smack the back of the screwdriver, you'll get it. There you go.
Should be good.
All right, dude. So rotor is what? Rotor's done. What do we need to do now?
Gotta put this back up.
Nope, we're going to replace that. You got a new caliper and a new master cylinder. So for now, if we just needed to do the rotor, it would be the reverse process for putting your hub back on, right? Once the hub is on, we have our castellated nut, cotter pin, and then popping the wheel back on. Obviously, we'd have to bolt the caliper back on, but we're going to do another video. So what do you want to say?
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. And if you want to see how to do the caliper, check out the other video.
Yeah.
How about that?
Yeah.
All right, say that.
Check out the other video. How about that?
That's what you're going to say?
Yeah.
All right, cool. We'll roll with it. First test drive since the new brakes are installed. You ready? You can stop? Yeah. Look at that. Stopping?
Yep.
That means you did it right if it's working. Feels good?
Yeah.
Nice to have brakes that work. All right, dude. Have fun. one way to cut the grass.